Hi, to enable live wallpaper on iPhone, firstly let's take a photo for wallpaper right now. For that I'm gonna open camera, make sure you're in photo mode, and make sure that you can see this circle not crossed out because this is when live photo is turned on. If you can see it like that, then just tap the icon once to see orange status live. And now we can just take a live photo. Great. And now let's set it as wallpaper. For that, I'm gonna immediately click on the share icon, scroll a bit down, and choose to use as wallpaper. Now it will load a bit, and you should see animation right away like that. So, yep, after iOS 17, live photo is enabled automatically, so you will see animation automatically and there is no longer need to press and hold the screen. It will run automatically. Now we can click Add, and I'm going to choose to customize home screen, blur background, and click Done. Let's test it. I'm gonna lock my screen, and this is my live photo. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.